How to turn on dark mode in Reolink. Prefer a darker interface that's easier on the eyes at night? Enabling dark mode on Reolink is simple and quick. First, launch the Reolink app and log in if you are not already. Go to the Me tab at the bottom, then tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for Appearance or Theme and select it. You'll see options like Light, Dark, or System Default. Tap on Dark to enable dark mode immediately. The interface will switch to a sleek black theme, which is perfect for low light conditions and saves a bit of battery. Do you prefer light or dark mode? Share your choices in the comments below. If you switch your phone's system settings to dark mode, you can also set Reolink to follow the system automatically. And that's how you can turn on dark mode in Reolink. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.